Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Bitcoin market update. Bitcoin is beginning to show some early signs of activity. Over the past few sessions, I've emphasized that confidence in a sustained upside breakout remains limited. That doesn't mean breakout attempts are impossible. It simply means that follow-through and confirmation are still required before we can treat any move higher as decisive. What stands out in the current setup is the clarity of the chart structure. We are clearly operating within a corrective range. And from an Elliott Wave perspective, this structure still fits well with an ABC pattern. Within that framework, the C wave could unfold as a 5-wave move to the upside, potentially targeting the 97,000 to 98,000 region. That remains the primary upside scenario under consideration. It's important to stress, however, that this remains a counter-trend move. Even if price continues higher, the broader context is still corrective rather than impulsive. That means upside progress is likely to be gradual, overlapping, and prone to pullbacks. The advantage of this setup is precision. In a 5-wave C-wave scenario, the 1-2 structure provides some of the cleanest technical levels available. Right now, we have a clearly defined support zone between $85,470 and $87,470. Price has already reacted positively from this area, confirming it as valid short-term support. That said, this zone is not the invalidation level. The formal invalidation point sits at the prior swing low at $84,460. As long as Bitcoin holds above that level, the market technically retains the ability to continue grinding higher within this 5-wave structure. We are also seeing an early breakout attempt above the yellow trend line, which is constructive but not yet decisive. If price fails at this level and produces another pullback, one additional low would still be acceptable within the structure. It would make the corrective pattern more extended, but it would not invalidate it. For the bullish scenario to remain intact in the very short term, price ideally needs to hold above the intraday low at $86,880. That level now acts as a near-term reference point for momentum. A clean hold above it would improve the probability of continuation higher. Overall, the technical parameters remain unchanged. Another test of support is possible and would not invalidate the broader structure. It would simply reset the Wave 2 portion of the move. That said, the current Wave 2 correction is already quite complex. So ideally, the low is already in place. That's the latest update on Bitcoin. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more structured level-based market updates.